My name is Ravis. I'm from Congo in Africa, but now I live at Oakland. And today I'm here for meet and greet for the mayor summer job. And we're here, all of us, for interviewing for the type of job that we want for this summer and get more experiences so we can all try to figure out what would be better for our future.
Hi, my name is Elaine Barfield. I'm from the city of Oakland. I'm here because I want to get a summer job, not just for the money, but just for the experience and working with new people.
Hello, my name is Yumika Rose. I attend McClymonds High School and I'm class of 2015. I am from Oakland, California.
I'm Bob Maneggio with the Port of Oakland Crane Department. We're here at the Mayor's Meet and Greet Summer Jobs Program. We were actually quite surprised at the quality of training and how well spoken everybody was.
Hi, my name is Felicia Duncan and I'm an employee here at the City of Oakland with the Mayor's Summer Jobs Program. We have more than enough youth that need positions, but we're currently looking for employers within the Oakland area to support our young people. To reach me, you can do so at 510-238-6457.